Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you 6 simple steps to start investing on Robinhood. Now, this might sound like a sales pitch, but I promise it isn't. Robinhood has been around for a few years now, and it seems like more and more people are using it. So I want to give you guys the lowdown on how it works. Start investing on Robinhood with these 6 simple steps. How Robinhood investing works. Investing is the best way to ensure your money is working for you. But it can be complicated. So, if you are looking for a great way to invest in the stock market, but are intimidated by everything involved, or don't have enough money to start investing, then Robinhood is the answer for you. This article will explain how to get started with investing on Robinhood, step by step. Is Robinhood safe? Is Robinhood illegal? Here are the facts. Disclaimer: are you a US citizen? Otherwise, you will not be able to create a Robinhood account. It's no secret that financial technology innovation is having a major impact on traditional financial services. Think of the myriad investment apps, savings apps, robotic investment plans, budget apps, cryptocurrencies, and new online breakthroughs. Robinhood is at the forefront of many of these financial services innovations. By the end of 2020, the number of users will surpass 10 million, and many people are wondering, is Robinhood safe? About the history of Robinhood. Robinhood was founded by Biju Bhatt and Vladimir Tenov and has grown significantly since its inception in 2013. The concept was very simple: traditional firms took too many commissions from all companies and robbed their clients. The founders built up Wall Street expertise, returned to Silicon Valley, raised funds, and began their first hiatus with a free-based commission. You now have over 10 million users. This is proof of their result and their concept. And that should also tell you that Robinhood is safe. In fact, Robinhood recently surpassed one of the most notorious violations, trade, in terms of the number of active accounts. But the explosive success begs the question: is Robinhood safe? What is the danger of Robinhood? Answers to all of this and more can be found in this Robinhood review. Just read. Why choose Robinhood? Robinhood was the first app out of stock and received zero commission. This means that users can literally open an account for just a few dollars and buy stocks without paying commissions on every trade. The Robinhood app offers a commission-free module that allows users to trade stocks for free. Robinhood started out as an iPhone app, but soon released Android versions. The app allows users to invest in US stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Be aware that Robinhood is for humans, which is why there is no minimum balance or commission to trade with Robinhood. These two characteristics are very rare in the fintech sector. You can trade a variety of US stocks and ETFs. And now you can trade cryptocurrencies and even options. Also, if you're interested in cryptocurrency, check out our roundup of BlockFi, the best place to start earning interest on your cryptocurrency. Robinhood also offers the Robinhood Gold account, which is a great account that you can trade with on margin. But newbies don't need to worry about it or pay for it. What makes Robinhood so popular? Robinhood is known for its commission-free trading, simple application process, and intuitive mobile platform. Best of all, they give you a free share right away when you open your account and fund it. Robinhood is an easy way to start investing because it offers quick access to stocks, ETFs, and options. For instance, you could buy stock in General Electric, Tesla, or Facebook, trade options on Apple, or purchase a mix of US stocks and European stocks. The app makes it easy to buy and sell investments without fees. What is Robinhood and how does it work? Robinhood is a free stock trading app that offers up to $3,000 in instant deposits after every purchase made on the app. The company was founded by Vladimir Tenov and Biju Bhatt. Robinhood Financial Incorporated is headquartered in Palo Alto, California. Robinhood is a trading app for smartphones that offers an easy-to-use interface with which to make quick investments. It has low commission rates, unlike traditional brokers, but doesn't offer additional tools. Few things are more frustrating than opening an account on a new app, website, or platform and discovering that there's no information on how to get started. That's why Robinhood, the only US-based broker without commission on trades, created 6 simple steps to start investing on Robinhood, including how to choose your account type, trade stocks and ETFs, get started with crypto, understanding market cycles, see your financial wellness, and more. Robinhood is a finance app that will let you buy stocks, including cryptocurrency. One of the main features of the app is the ability to trade stocks commission-free. Robinhood has made investing cheaper and easier for many people who might not otherwise be able to afford it. The best part about this app is that there are only 6 steps to take before you start investing on Robinhood. All you need is an account, credit card, internet connection, and your social security number. It has become easy for investors to buy stocks with a low-cost commission on Robinhood. The newest Robinhood crypto app will allow anyone to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It costs nothing to invest in stocks or Bitcoin. The Robinhood crypto app is similar to what Apple's AAPL, minus 1.36% plus offers. Robinhood crypto is not available to people who live in Alaska, Iowa, Mississippi, or Wyoming. Registered users have access to the app. Who is Robinhood for? The company, Robinhood, offers free trading with no commission. Follow these 6 steps to get started investing on Robinhood. You'll need a social security number or taxpayer identification number, bank account information, your birthday, email address, gender, occupation, and income. How about this? With the Robinhood app, you can easily invest your money. This includes stocks, options, and various types of ETFs. They are for people who are interested in investing but do not have a lot of money to put into it. You can buy as little as $5 worth of stock, but be aware of the risk factor of trading on margin. Read their 6 simple steps to start investing on Robinhood. How to start investing with Robinhood. Investing with Robinhood is easier than ever. This video will show you 6 simple steps to start investing on Robinhood. If you're looking for an easy way to start investing, then Robinhood might be the answer. Robinhood is an investment app that offers no-fee trades and even manages investments for you. The website also boasts the fact that it's the only place where all of the stocks, ETFs, options, and digital currencies are commission-free. The idea behind Robinhood is simple: users download the app and link their bank account. Once they've linked their BA account, is Robinhood reliable? Robinhood is not just an investing app. It is a one-stop shop for any kind of financial activity you might need to do, from checking your balance to watching market trends. Robinhood has no minimum account size, so if you only have $5, they'll take it. Robinhood is also completely free to use, so you can't go wrong. Robinhood is not absolutely safe. With the number of hacking cases in the last few years, it's impossible. How does Robinhood make money? Robinhood Markets Incorporated is a financial technology, fintech, company that operates discount online trading and offers commission-free trading. Point 1. It provides a web-based and mobile financial services platform that enables consumers to invest, trade and trade U.S. currencies, ETFs, options, and U.S. investment returns, ADRs. It also allows users to invest in specific cryptocurrencies based on their geographic location. The company makes money by paying for the flow of orders, high membership fees, stock loans, interest on cash without investment, exchange fees related to its debit card, and other smaller incomes. Streams. Point 3. Following the announcement of its unpublished IPO filing on March 23, 2021, Robinhood filed an S-1 filing with the SEC on July 1, 2021. On July 19, 2021, it changed the S-1, stating it would sell 52.4 million shares with the founders and sell another 2.6 million to the CFO for a total of 55 million. Robinhood went public for $38 billion, which is worth $32 billion. The share is listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker HOOD. Robinhood expects the IPO to raise about $2 billion, possibly as much as $2.3 billion if the green option is used. Competitors are Charles Schwab Corp., SCHW, Morgan Stanley, MS, Trade Financial Holdings LLC, Coinbase Global Incorporated, Coin, Square Incorporated, SQ, and River Financial Corp., RVRF. Prime Robinhood Takeaways. Robinhood is an online discount broker that offers a commission and commission-free trading platform. The company generates most of its revenue from order flow payments. Robinhood plans to expand internationally, targeting Europe and Asia. The company recently filed an S-1 form with the SEC pending its initial public offering. The SEC announced in June that it was conducting a comprehensive review of the market structure, including payment for order flows. Robinhood stated in its S-1 that a ban on this practice by the SEC would pose a threat to its business model. Robinhood Finance on its recently filed Form S-1, Robinhood reported financial results for the first quarter of fiscal 2021, FY, the 3-month period ended March 31, 2021. Net loss increased the company from $52.5 million to $1.4 billion US dollars the fourth year. However, revenue for the quarter more than doubled to $522.2 million. The net loss was largely due to one-time charges of $1.5 billion related to a token-to-market (MTM) change in the fair value of convertible bonds and guaranteed liabilities. Stock trading with Robinhood. If you're unfamiliar with stock trading, it can be awful. But buying and selling on the stock exchange with Robinhood is also as easy as the steps above. Upload the Robinhood app, view your favorite stock in the control bar, cryptocurrency, or ETF. Tap on the trade option. On the next page you will find two options, buy or sell. Tap the buy button. Select your order type from the appropriate order and the number of stocks you want to buy. Confirm your order. Finally, swipe up to place the order. One of the main characteristics of Robinhood is that it is quick to invest. When you credit your account, you can win up to $1,000 instantly without waiting for the funds to be sent. This means you can start investing as soon as your account is cleared. Unlike other online brokers, it can take more than 5 days to reach your balance. While Robinhood offers several ways to buy stocks, getting started and learning basic investing can be tricky at first. How do I trade crypto on Robinhood? Robinhood Instant. Robinhood Instant is a free upgrade to your brokerage account that allows you to use deposited funds instantly, without waiting for bank transfers or stock sales to settle. When upgrading to Robinhood Instant, you're turning your brokerage account into a limited margin account. This means that Robinhood is fronting you the money, though unlike full-featured margin accounts, there is absolutely no fee or interest associated with the loan. It is possible to instantly access around $1,000 in pending deposits with Robinhood Instant. Robinhood Gold. Robinhood Gold is a paid upgrade that turns your brokerage account right into a margin account. This means that you are offered a line of credit for trading stocks and ETFs, an inherently risky strategy which could end with you losing more than just your cash. Unlike other margin accounts, you pay a flat monthly fee for Robinhood Gold, as opposed to an interest rate on borrowed funds. Robinhood Gold also gives you access to the same instant deposits as Robinhood Instant, plus access to pre-market and after-hours trading. You must have a minimum of $2,000 in your account, as cash or as held securities, to update to Robinhood Gold. Robinhood Gold currently starts at $6 per month for an extra $1,000 of buying power. What's good about Robinhood? Free trades and no account minimum. Let's not mess around, these are the number 1 and number 2 reasons to use Robinhood. By lowering the barrier of entry to literally zero, Robinhood makes it easy to experiment with a small amount of cash. Besides the money you're using to fund the account, it's completely free to do some hands-on learning about the stock market. Free trades also makes Robinhood an attractive option for more experienced investors with accounts at other brokerages, if they can deal with a few of the limitations. Because there's no account minimum, it's simple for anybody to try Robinhood out without commitment. Simple, clean UI. Whether you're on iOS or Android, Robinhood's mobile app is easy to navigate. Unlike other brokerages, Robinhood was made to be mobile first, which means its app should be familiar to any smartphone user. Due to the fact various other brokerages' apps are frequently messy, overstuffed, and outdated, Robinhood didn't have to clear a higher bar when it came to designing their app. But not only did Robinhood clear the bar, it exceeded it by developing a genuinely pretty app that is a joy to use. What's bad about Robinhood? No educational resources for first-timers. For an app focused on first-time investors, Robinhood sure does fail to provide educational resources that could help new investors navigate the stock market. This feels like a huge oversight for a company that has specifically targeted novices. At the minimum, Robinhood should have a starting out article, and at best, Robinhood would build out a library of investing 101 resources within the app. Robinhood does make some gestures to building an investor profile. When you first sign up, you'll be asked to answer questions about your goals, your timeline, your risk tolerance, as well as your income. These questions are reminiscent of how robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront build your portfolio. But Robinhood doesn't do anything with this particular information. It's like someone set out to build an educational feature, but forgot to really put it in. Missing research tools. Unlike other brokers, Robinhood doesn't offer much in the way of research tools. If you want to dive deep on a company or a whole industry, you'll have to look elsewhere. For more experienced investors, research tools at various other brokerages could be worth the price of a commission fee on trades. Okay, now the 6 simple steps to start investing on Robinhood. 1. Check if Robinhood supports your country and currency. 2. Open an account on the app or website. 3. Enter personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. 4. Choose a security deposit. 5. Set up alerts for price and market changes. 6. Buy stock. No IRA options. Most people in their 20s should be focused squarely on retirement. While you can save for retirement in an individual taxable account, the only type of accounts that Robinhood offers, it doesn't come with any of the tax benefits of a traditional or Roth IRA. When you don't have to pay any taxes on the stock you buy, you will owe tax on the gains for each stock you sell. These basic facts about the tax implications of investing are another casualty of having less educational resources in the app. Is Robinhood the best app for stock market novices? If you're anything like Robinhood's core user base, in your mid-20s and new to the stock market, you should make sure you have your retirement accounts in order before putting money into an individual taxable account. For the vast majority of people, a portfolio of ETFs is really a better way to invest for the long term. Consider setting up a tax-deferred account with Betterment, Wealthfront, or one of their competitors before you start messing around with individual stocks. Additionally, if your employer gives you a 401k with matching contributions, you'll desire to contribute at the very least enough to get the maximum matching contributions you can annually. If Robinhood starts offering IRA account options in the future, which they say is on the roadmap, it could become the best option for investors that are looking to build their own retirement portfolios. While you still shouldn't gamble away retirement savings on individual stock, you could use a Robinhood IRA to construct your own portfolio of ETFs that matches your investment goals.